Capablanca or Alekhine?
Capablanca.
Capablanca or Spassky?
Spassky.
Spassky or Fischer?
Okay, let's keep going. Fischer.
Fischer or Karpov?
I think still Fischer.
Fischer or Kasparov?
I never thought of that before. Yeah, Fischer.
Fischer or Kramnik?
Fischer.
Fischer or Magnus Carlsen?
Fischer.
Fischer or Dinglien?
Fischer.
Fischer or Gukesh?
Fischer.
And finally, Fischer or Vichy?
Well, by now I have to say Fischer.
There you go.